everyone, it's John here, and in this video we're going to take a look at dark mode in Excel. So it's finally here. Excel has full dark mode support now in Excel 365. So in the beta channel, it's currently rolling out, and it should be in the other channels fairly quickly. Let's take a look. So Excel has had a partial dark mode available for quite a while, and to enable that, you can go to the File tab and go to Accounts. And here under the Office theme, you can select the black Office theme. And that's going to change your Excel ribbon into a dark mode. But the actual sheet is going to remain in a light mode. But now we've got full dark mode support, and we can change our sheets into dark mode as well now. So under the View tab, when you set the Office theme to black, then this option is going to appear here. We can switch modes. So clicking on that is going to change the sheets into full dark mode. And so now with our Office theme set to black and dark mode enabled for the sheets, we've got a full dark mode in Excel. Now note that under the View tab, this option is only going to appear when you have the black theme enabled. So if we go back to the File tab and go to Account and go back to Colorful, then in our View tab, you're not going to see that anymore. It will disappear. And so in order to see that, you need to enable the black theme. So there you go. That's how you can enable the new dark mode in Excel. Currently only available in the beta channel for Excel 365, but it should be soon rolling out to the other channels. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Excel videos like this one. And we'll see you in the next video.